Statewide prosecutors say the illegal gambling enterprise that led to the arrest of former Osceola County Sheriff Marcos Lopez stretched into Lake County.
The arrest affidavit explaining in detail the state's allegations against Lopez and his co-defendants is still sealed. But WESH 2 investigates Justin Shecker is uncovering new information on an attorney with ties to co-conspirators in the racketeering case.
Statewide prosecutors say suspended Osceola County Sheriff Marcos Lopez and his co-defendants sought to expand their illegal gambling enterprise into Lake County.
I had worked with the county when the first ordinance was proposed.
In April 2024, Jacksonville-based attorney Kelly Mathis went before the Lake County Commission. He spoke out against the new ordinance to overturn the county's oversight of gaming rooms that began in 2021.
There's not been a single game room that has underwent prosecution.
The Lake County Sheriff's Office supported the effort to stop granting permits, which the commission approved at a later meeting.
We agree with the Florida Gaming Control Commission. Simply because there have not been arrests or search warrants executed does not mean that the activities that are going on is legal or lawful.
WESH 2 Investigates has learned that attorney Mathis is connected to a Lopez co-conspirator who has been named in open court but hasn't been arrested nor charged of any crimes.
And then further on, beginning on page 229, there are text messages between the defendant and co-conspirator Krishna D. O'Karen.
An affidavit from a forfeiture case for the Eclipse Social Club in Osceola County names Krishna Diakaran as the owner of the Kissimmee Casino that prosecutors say Lopez protected from law enforcement. According to that affidavit, Lopez co-defendant Sheldon Weatherholt told investigators Chris's lawyer is Kelly Mathis. Some biz records for Eclipse list Mathis as the registered agent above Weatherholt's name.
You want to know how much Chris paid me?
The investigative report says in 2022, Sheldon told Kelly he did not want his name on any of the businesses anymore because he knew what Chris was doing was illegal.
I've been practicing game room law for 10 or 15 years, and so I'm familiar with what's going on in the state and with the laws.
And more than a decade ago, Kelly Mathis was at the center of another Florida gambling scandal. He was convicted and sentenced to 6 years in prison, but later exonerated for his involvement with Allied Veterans of the World. Statewide prosecutors said the charity was a front for a $300 million gambling operation through internet cafes. After Mathis won his appeal for a new trial, the state dismissed his charges in 2017, and the Florida bar reinstated his law license. For WESH 2 Investigates, I'm Justin Shecker. Stu, back to you.